Welcome back, Modified Crew. I am your daily driver, Mark Herman, and today we have to continue the cleaning of the FRS. Now, whenever you're flipping a car or have a project car or a salvage car, they always get dirty. And if you want maximum profit when selling a vehicle, you want the vehicle to look its best. With that being said, I'm going to show you how to properly detail your engine bay. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do to clean your engine bay is you want to go ahead and remove the battery or disconnect the cables. This prevents any current going through the actual engine bay where it could short out something. The second thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and dry clean your engine bay. What you want to be doing is taking a little brush and brushing off any loose dirt, debris, anything like that. Also, you could take a air compressor, blow it all off, or you can also take, let's say, your shop vac and also blow it off using that, because most shop vacs, if reversed, actually have a blow function. You're gonna go ahead and see me doing that right now. Alright, the second step to cleaning your engine bay is you want to go ahead and spray down the rest of the engine bay with a mild setting on your hose. Basically, you want to saturate it. You don't want to pressure wash it or anything like that. And you can cover the engine with a plastic bag for extra security. And then when it comes time to actually cleaning the motor, I would suggest using a spray bottle with a mild detergent soap in it. Let's go and get started on that right now. The engine is clean, it's looking great, but it is very wet, and we want to get as much water off of it as possible to prevent any corrosion, rusting, or just, unwanted water settling in places where we don't want it. For me to do that, I go ahead and use my shop vac. I actually plug in the hose on the opposite side, and that turns it into a blower. I go ahead and blow off the excess water, then dry the remaining water with a microfiber towel, also removing any additional grease, dirt, or grime that I otherwise would have missed. Let's go ahead and get started on that right now. All right guys, the engine is completely clean and dry. Now we are to my favorite part, which is actually the detailing of the engine. When you detail the engine, it's gonna give it that new black deep look that came from the factory, and it kind of restores that shine that you're actually looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and get that started right now. All right, now is the time you guys have been waiting for. Go ahead and take it away, Brian Spellner.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
All right, that's gonna be it for today's episode. And I know a lot of you guys are like, Mark, when you get into the modification process, the thing is when it comes to having a good looking car, the first thing that you do not want to overlook is having a clean car. That's the cheapest, easiest way to bring the value and the look of your car up. Said we're gonna have one more episode, and that's on the interior of the vehicle, gonna be coming next week. And then after that, we're gonna actually get into the modification process. I had to order in a bunch of parts, so stay tuned, guys. If you're not subscribed, feel free to do so. If you like what we're doing here on Modified Crew, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I will see you on the next one.